Hello, fellow trans lovers. I'm your girl, Lady, bringing you your hottest news. You know, angishaye eceleni. Anyways, nginethulela umshado ka Musa Mseleku and MaKhumalo, the third wife. So we all know, most of you will know this family from the show, their reality show on Mzansi Magic, which is UTHANDO NESITHEMBU. So here is MaKhumalo's wedding. We know we will all remember that MaKhumalo's wedding was supposed to happen, and unfortunately COVID happened too. This follows after we've seen the other two wives' wedding, which is the first wife Macele's wedding. We've seen it on TV. It was really stunning. We've seen also Mayeni's wedding, which is the second wife. Now it's the third wife's wedding, and it's executed. It's very on another level. Most people, they don't know. If you don't know we are talking about MaKhumalo, the one that was recently on The Real House of Durban, and she got a very backlash there. But anyway, she's looking stunning. Here is the snippet, guys. You know me, I will give you content. Anyway, just enjoy yourself and look at this video. Please leave your comments below and subscribe. Thank you, guys. I'm out till next time.